haigi akhoi khangi aduga masi anaba saruk se kaino haida kana umna chaina kanba se engoda ta kanba se atopa mi da mangod anaba saruk to khangamoi ngasi di kana gumum de chai do kallu da mas as mangod phurum mas na ngoi suma sugam naram ngani dana ko haibas khangi anaba se thengler potan ja de khangi anyway very unfortunate adu shiri thoki ani this is simply beginning Manipur the thoi bangasi issue se ai ahamada ai haijigi I am nothing against any particular community. Chin Kuki Joki group, Lusai Khangde, Mijo Khangde, Kuki Khangde, Ateti Sagi Punamo. I Makoi Achocho top ranking. My arms sing like Brigadier T. Silo, Chief Minister Oramba, Maki, Aina Nahao ni Chang Putanja, the IGP ki Maki, batchmate ni Hyderabad security officer, chief security officer on Mapu Pudrim Pali Kudan Nagaland Kasekohin Kolandan Yam Tobo. They are very good people. Even Lalthan Howla, former Congress chief minister, Anira Omluk Ovinamba, very stalwart and very nice gentleman. Even Nokui chief secretary in Mayam, Mr. Lalhuma, Mr. Lalthara, Mr. L. Colony, Moki is chief secretary Odinakasu Nagaland Kasulermi. I know them very well. Even Chirachar Pundigi, Mr. Sangliana, who was a former commissioner and the DGP of Karnataka, who subsequently became a BJP MLA in Bangalore. Mojukosu Ayamune Kangji. Kangji means I got an opportunity to salute them and to pay my regards. Madam the senior officer Oiba has say Yamna connection about anyone from any community. I have no distinction or distinguish or anyone that I sideline nothing. All are human being. We belong to the same flock in the Mongoloid. Aduna akoina khanan ne neribase. Masi akoina only illegal immigrants mapandi laiba punamak makoina torokpa mayam madi makoiba sagudliba miyoi sing madi watani. I have nothing against any particular community. No, and why should I? Me put 100% the blame to but then I am wrong in my own way or lalia but in day. So don't misconstrue. Akoi missing yam daba nasi 35 lakhs gumba approximately lady basi maningda almost 7-8 lakhs se mapandagi influx niya. Why to blame only the Chin Kuki Jo? There are so many Nepalese group coming from Darjeeling de lai, Gangtok de lai, Assam de lai, Mokoi issue lady. Even sometime Bangladesh issue me amani lakpa jawi, Assam de mete issue nong paduk amani lakna koton lo. Yes, moi the masagi jum laibani na like Koramba Kotpa Bajar to local ayam loina hangi. Ayamba 99% hangi 1% gumbaka kanagunda legi ka any Indian citizenship the moi the lehu di jawi. Not the by and large sakoi community the loin masagi lam may make laibani na. They are not very fancy or not very keen to stay in Manipur. Adu laiba miyosing shidi mohi pandam se Chin Kuki Jogi illegal immigrants makoine laiba se with an object. Karino object haiba tadi Manipur siga Changaga Kwaidiki thought nova administration amata laitaba chingda Ningdhona Panba Chingi Ningdho than Chiptan ka haibijani or Raja kaso haini or Ningdho so haini. Government of Manipur ki makur jaudaba lamamagi machet malibata with the Mokoi permission lower government gi office established the Guduriba Manipur Masini Kwaiding Asia Masikanana Sema Milo other tokris Masi Muhid Pumang Mangalamani. Adu Nasi Toib incident Punamagase Tayami Shinagre Kayasu Shigidori Masi Lansa Pak Loiroi Kari Loigedagine. Mui mayam si assume illegal entry mayam laiba entrance laipuna mase mokoi se chalandrigo isunga yaroi 1961 if not 1951 the government ya gidre 61 hairabani na 61 sigi gi mamang the lakpa sing the laiba jagani 61 matung de damata laibam thokte any irrespective of any caste creed religion. Why it is only to a particular Chin Kuki Jo masi non-indigenous of Indian, non-indigenous of Manipur, Mokoi Levisunga Yara. Nasil Toibe problem say Aquina major minority community haidana moina haibira akhoi the majority community haibu walite akhoi di everybody is the same. Alimuddin, he was only lone MLA, he could become the chief minister. We all people, we support it. Our leaders, no, we shouldn't do labak thina ma matam kha oil magamu tokre. Nang Nurul Hassan, young dynamic MLA, my MLA ori, ay function with the thing. I wished him, why not you become one day chief minister in the near future? No, uncle, it is too much for me. Hey, no, we wish you. Akoy to the cookies chief minister winning in him. Perhaps and provided makuni mi mayam tinaba hiba, mi mayam koma hiba, collectively hingba hang akoy leader oiba, masiyam darkale. Collective leader si mayam janaro, mayam giwata of corpato the Sunga Yaro. As it to chin cookie jogi city, a country. Okay, perhaps the Lusai Hilgi or Mijoramgi Ijalsiga Mohi country capital Oidaga. Moine Piri Mevsina Tapadi, Manipur say almost 90% of Mukui Logrege, 10% in Aquile Hobo, 34 lakhs, 30 lakhs Malaba, Quina Lehoro, a Quina loaded the me, Hidemo me possessing a Tadui, Madugum did it over Pate. Hajimon separations or union territory, what does it mean? And what they require it. It is not applicable to them. Foreigners first, they should consider whether they be allowed to stay in India or in Manipur or in that there should not be any white and black achumbani. Adai ngasi tawri puni masi impacts ngasi ko uwo phange whole world khange. Ajibo se moi leptri tobo jaba hat pa khot pa ta nampu da capture tauge nampu da mi hatoga akoi na mase ko nampu da mulla tauge haite madu matawk te madri tawna sungoi oiroi aduna masigi impact se ko shoidra thorkani haibase Mizoram da thoye Mizoram thoy bese se nungai bam lady adigi kamjong da muthore kamjong da lebise ukul desig lebise most tangkul ngata leigum tawye mete khara tari ate sagai sukar tari kuki kangbu sing se tari kuki sing se moi mapandi lakpa ngatani lag moi lo uba khoppo moi ni dhou ta tanar corner tar ko lo uge noi gi losan kage no koi tamoten jang na pi thage khotya khoi sukar pange noi sukar tauge kar moi them se kar tawra wari sum tarak pada ako mad sum taw sum dong che tara kun tar sum lisalaga moi lam ko se hemunja lakpa ade kuki ga mu tangkul dum phuna bu ga sa ak pada yam yaugre yamna yaugre aduna masugum mas mosi chulu magi de suma into na tat to sanarga nonda sanarga tawruga punamak silon national highway punamak site sigala nampu de ta sanbai gumba masimi mem de neiba khotpa tor moigi plan se mas phatte mas tawre dabani national highway se mayang gi tamaktani mas ayam national highway the number 2 number 37 de ka tawri punamas mostly mkhoi ngaktani mone national highway siga mone singmanam national highway sig essential commodities punong loina puuni na manipur da leiba Naga leader Singh, Nagaland liba Naga leader Singh or Naga Singh, or the Arunachal Pradesh liba leader Singh, we put which Chingyam Pame, Chingmaton Pame, second hide the Moy, Hainajaba Moy Mapampu Haktan Degi, Moy Tam the Tabasaka Hinadaba, Tam the Logos and China cooking at the Lunya Hova, other town, Yamunai, what did Chingmatak liba cookie, Mukilam, sorry, Tangulam Matani, Mukuri Ching the Kumderaga, Chapatanjada, cookie Lamendus and Jina, the Kakari Kugium. Moigi lambi the lag lambi tatlaga puba kopata no because yam yong rejani ko angak panitori base adun monitori but step monitori ba plans masi this is not acceptable adu haji MLA lesio na hairi base maki other local people lady budu wigi hen masing she lai base sum henjelakpa tanatana makone nampu da Puno chain about Toba Corpa, Moina Tona, Cotton, Nonja, Cotton, Lena, Cotana, Laden, Moina, Chakwa, Chava, Takpa, Corpa, Torical, Pelectadana, Moina, Amukama, Dada, Giri, Habido, Mapan Puntu, Moina, Mokan, Tokuni, Madi, me, Poo, the Cotanga, Toruga, Pagani, Hetaruga, Yadami, Messenger, Young, Tomadi, FMRG, Mapan Tohelanjan, like Burma, Hichangiba. Mati curly mulakpa, Masumana neighbor corpus and put the Mosito say, Yam Hengelakpa, Shum Hengelakpa, Mr. Lesio, Quigi, Kishing Honorable MLA, Mana Chief Minister, the Iriva, Lone Mayam, the Jan Pajamanatana Chumangatani, Masagami, Orebasu, Mochalam Hengaduri, Mokucha Kui the Labor, Yamuariduri, Mocha, they be deported, Haibawahi, Sepangum Tawi, Aduna Masi, Kanatorpani. At the Kanai, the ICJ. International Commission of Justice ka hairpa group ka sinaka tawga moini Manipur daga order ka tawthareine. I questions the ICJ. Who are you? Government is a popular government. Government of India ke very powerful Prime Minister man makha the lady the foreigners mayam singshina hali college mayam shiri matang dirwama pandraga that Manipur government you cannot deport of these the refugees to their own country. Who are they and what authority they have? It is ridiculous. You should not try to down your position so much without any reasonable reason. ICJ, we strongly condemn it. Don't behave like that. Don't have your hegemonistic behavior. You cannot dominate in that manner. First lesson ni Mizoram da so thui kari thui haibde Mizoram da FMR gi khagudur be khotur be tagudur be punama se moi ayam na khabajate hairi Mizoram da 48% naharon singchina hairi mase khagudabani haidana yumi tawri se they have belatedly realized it. Mogi masing sum hengalakpa makoi tomote KMP di government of India ke paisa se dama damlok tharaga hana kenegi ku former chief minister Jaram Thangal leading da they are all blood, they are all breathing moi light okhen tamangani mafimron pigani light pigani chengchak pigani mo pitaro paisa pitaro haire moi ke purpose ti Mizoram sigap loina masi moi lai pun mase makoi gi mi pun mase loina train tauba Hindi ngangba tamba, English ngangba tamba, ako madi electoral photo identity card tamaming changehanba, madi Aadhaar card pisanba, then they can move to anywhere, any country or any state. Maduni Mizoram sigaf ako gimoni manufacture tawuni mohina. Agun nashidi youth of Mizoram, I really respect and I really salute to all the youth. You are being an Indian Mizo youths. Narang nani pukalak pase. Makoy na hairi. Akoy sigal aga. Makoyna Myanmar te poche ohoma pusale akoi gi dukan puna mo se poch sitre modi ke no hybrid ken have kan mo two wheeler motorcycle ka se pusalaga mo ne toning ta toba khotpa toba modi phir on drug pho pusalaga mo ne jole modi even adu ta natna akoi gi kane flash trade pho khar hauram me khotna akoi Mizoram ge atmosphere se pura mangle masi yadi modune FMR aji government na propose to se public na oppose to bus akoi support tawi mas fencing thuna tohon biu haidana aduna Mr. Jaipuba mi khara mo realize tawriam akoi samna hairaga lin kang da lin loredi lin du sangom pithedi ma nomati madi mapudu ma chikkani shoidana aduna masana tawjabani akoi na bina noina nasai tawsu nasan tawda tawgunu apart from that nakoi ge plan nakoi ati state ta thajal lake na tawba plan do that will have to foil it by any means. Maramdi koi lepak se jamna soft target ni han kayam changiba more than 4.5 lakhs almost 5 lakhs illegal immigrants laktan illegally occupied all the hill areas. Punama poppy plantation na chingba khotpa maning makha tobu khopa koi suspension of operation the lady lishing lady puna musina ate loina pusal puna musina dominant to the Manipur se pura chatat ke tor mani belatedly Manipur government realized good or bad present chief minister koi mum chei thilu bune makhangi toguni have se adugo we have to face it. He has faced it. Chief minister Mr. Biren masu ikai bisunange wa bisunange adugo any government na para matarabasu masi do sa se thokani adun we should fully prepared to defend and not to allow any illegal immigrants or any non-indigenous people and they be exterminated from Manipur natrabadi akoi lepak se hingbadi yamna wagani we are Indian any Indian citizen oiba makoi di no problem let them come and let them stay and let them go back, no problem. But they have to be an Indian. At least 1961 gida electoral photo identity card, identity card ki mohi madigi maning the mohi chanba kotpa. Let them be in from Mizoram, let them be Kerala, let them be any place. Mohi they be treated as a Manipur citizen. Laos le bhi jaye or koi bhi jaye. It is up to the government of India and Manipur government. They are not foreigners. Natrabha Singh fake when Pairaga तम खोप तौरीबदुद मदुदि सुंया यारोय अदुन मोने बायोमेट्रिक मोने तवै याद्रिबसे दिस इज द रूट कॉज हाइबिस हामराउंड थमजिगे
थागतरी ओजा सोनामनी सोनामने ओजा सोनामने यामना फजबा वाई क्याम हाइबिग्रे कोगी रूट कॉज से जिगलाई बसे मरु ओइन हाइतार इलीगल इमिग्रेंट मैम जिना मसिदगी थोलक पंगातनी ओइगदोरिबनी अदु अखोई बायोमेट्रिक तौजे हाइबा याद्रिबसे याम चाव वांग अमजु लेरि सम तांजिदा ai